Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm gonna give you quick and easy tutorial about this AI website called HeyGen. HeyGen is an AI video website that will help you create stunning AI videos with realistic avatars in a minute. That's why HeyGen shines. So it's a user-friendly platform that makes AI videos generation a breeze. Even with a zero video editing experience, you can whip up professional looking videos in a flash. So you have nothing to worry about. With the help of this website, you can simply create a professional video or generate a professional video using the AI of this platform, which is so right on the platform. You can also create and translate videos with HeyGen AI videos generator, so you can produce studio quality videos in 175 language without a camera or a crew. So this is super cool and super awesome. So HeyGen is incredible, user-friendly, and produce high-quality videos quickly. The pricing is competitive, and the customer support is top-notch for this platform. Their customer service is some of the top-notch, and this platform also, which is HeyGen, also comes with a wide range of benefits that you as a user stand to gain while using this platform. One of the key benefit of this platform is that you get it has user-friendly interface, and also a realistic avatars with a multilingual support with a extensive template library. Also, you gain access to advanced AI capacity. HeyGen technology ensure smooth and limp syncing and natural facial experience on the platform, and also you have a lot of benefit. So that's that about that. So talking about the pricing list of the website, the pricing can be a little bit it's going to be a little bit pricing a little bit, trust me, you're gonna like it. So the pricing plan for this website is divided into four categories. We have the free plan, we have the creators plan, we have the team, and the enterprise, which is listed on the platform. For the free plan, it is free for get access to 3 videos per month, and get 3 access to 0 to 3 videos per month, and video up to 3 minutes, AI trust and safety. So here are the couple of tools that you can access on this free plan. You access to video generation, about 3 videos per month, 500 stock avatar load, video up to 3 minutes, and export up to 720 pixels. And also features include 1 custom video avatar, AI trust and safety, together with share and export videos with standard videos processing. So under the creators plan, you're gonna play for a year plan, which also has a 22% save of your of actual payment. You are pay $24, then you the list of the services that is now included. You have access to video generation, you create unlimited videos with videos up to 5 minutes with exports to 1080 pixels. And include service included is everything is free on the creators plan. Everything is free. Avatar had available, watermark remover, also fast video processing and brand kit with brand voice. Under the team, there you pay $69 per month per seat. Then you get access to video generation, which is video unlimited, creating video unlimited video with videos up to 30 minutes and export up to 1080 pixels. Then also include everything in creator, 1 custom video avatar set, then 1 custom interactive avatar set with 700 plus stock avatar loop with multi users workspace with role and permission with faster video processing, and a lot more. And under the enterprise, so this enterprise is actually it is custom, set to be custom. So if you want this, you have to negotiate this customer support. So you just go to this customer support. Once you get started with your account, then right here, you have to talk to them. Then from there you can talk, and you know the actual plan you're gonna pay for the enterprise, and that's how they arrange their pricing plan. And here is a full comparison. You want to fully compare, the plan starting from the free to creator to teams to enterprise. And simply do that from here. You can simply do that from here. And just get started. So for a video avatar, just click on the drop down, then you can get access to all this under the video avatar, which is a full access. Then under the AI video avatar, you have under the free, you have 3 minutes. Then under creator, just 5 minutes. Then under team, 60 minutes. Then custom, it remains custom. That is to say, it is not listed. So once you paid for that, then you have access to the right information for that. So that's how you can simply compare the pricing. That's how you can make a price comparison for this website. So talking about the platform. So the platform also provides an AI videos and video translation with specialized video with interactive avatar. You also get access to stock avatars with API and API pricing, which is super cool. And here are the pros and cons on this website. And one of the pros is that it is very easy to use. It comes with a very realistic looking avatar with available pricing option with fast video generation and excellent customer support. So talking about the downside of this website, it is limited customization in free trial. The free trial is too limited. You might not be able to get most things done with the free trial. So the best thing is, if you want to get the most things done without stress, just pay for the plan. Just pay for one of the plan and you're good to go. And some features required high tide plan. So most important features that you need to use to spice up a video are being categorized under the higher plan. So with one way or the other, you have to pay for the higher plan because the free version will not do anything. So that's it. Find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.